Hello, please take a look at last co-simulation sample presenting open standard-based co-simulation architecture covering model-based system engineering, manufacturing, design, analysis, requirements verification. So what we can see here, real SCARA robot running and applying adhesive. Then here we see co-simulation orchestration and monitoring in CATIA Magic. And here we see that we can actually track both virtual robot, virtual twin, and real robot directly through integration through FMI interface. And here we see this 3D robot simulation, which is a digital twin running in a perfect scenario, and we can compare and track at system level performance of the real system compared to the virtual system. And solution architecture we can see here. The solution architecture includes CATIA Magic for system architecture and requirements, includes real robot, which has real-time API, and we track that API and can control the robot through Python here, which converts from the API to the CATIA Magic using FMI interface. And here we see 3D simulation environment, robot simulation from Delmio and 3D Experience platform, again using FMI interface. Here you can see this FMI in that tool. Everything here is standard based, so languages like SysML simulation, right? And interface is standard based. FMI interface is the most popular, one of the most popular co-simulation interfaces. 250 tools supports it. And we use the Daimola based on Modelica to generate those communication interfaces. And here we see Python running, converting from a robot API, real-time API, to the UDP, which is consumed by CATIA Magic, again here running and monitoring. And here we can actually even control all those FMI interfaces are bidirectional, so we can control, change speed here, and all of that virtual twin can be automatically calibrated, or real robot can be automatically calibrated to the based on the requirements and based on the monitoring results. Multiple use cases are covered, for example, rapid prototyping, rapid change, offline validation verification, system level updates, and so on. And today I'm at GPDIS, Global Product Data Integration Summit, and we are ready for show.